Welcome back to another fantastic property tour, Rankin family. Today, we are located in Conroe, Texas, taking a look at another gorgeous luxury home. And this time we have a model by Jamestown Estate Homes. Now, starting on the exterior, family, the first thing that catches your eyes is the steeply pitched gables. Now, you have the brick exterior. Over there to the right is your garage. Now, I know I still get comments to this day about this, but once they sell this property off, they will construct a driveway that leads you to the garage, so you don't have to worry about that. Now, it is lushly landscaped, as we love to see, and elevated slightly, which is always great. Now, you have the arch detail going into your covered front porch, folks. Look at this. Really nice entrance, creating a wonderful experience. Look at the size here. And then, of course, you got the massive front door. But without further ado, let's go ahead and get you inside. Okay, so right when you walk in, look at the width of the foyer. So before we continue, I'll go ahead and show you the front door from the inside. And then over here to the left is your study. Before you enter there, you got your coat closet here, conveniently located. And then look at this. So you folks know this is a model home. They operate out of it. But I'm glad it is staged just to show you the dimensions inside of the rooms and the space that you get. Beautiful. So you have the hardwood floors throughout, as you can see, white oak. And then over here, you have the spacious guest suite. So they added the plantation shutters inside of here. You can open those up for all of the natural light that you need. That is a queen size bed. You have your 2 nightstands. And then keep in mind, Jamestown Estate Homes, they're fully custom. So if it's something where you need bigger rooms, more garage space, just overall, anything that you can imagine, it can certainly be constructed. So this is going to be the perfect guest suite. They have an ensuite here. So you see your walk-in shower here. You got stainless steel. And they did include the shower bench. You know, we love to see that. Sometimes I get too excited over the smallest things, and I know some folks may be watching and saying, why is this guy getting so excited for things like that? But if you know, you definitely know. Beautiful. So as we do continue, you got your half bath right over here. Look at this. It's almost like the floating vanity. Beautiful mirror frame. You see your sconces right above. And just the width inside. And if you folks are new to the channel, you know I absolutely love getting you inside of these model homes just because it is furnished throughout the entire home, not just the primary suite. You'll see all of the bedrooms furnished, which will just give you the full experience that you really want. Beautiful accent wall there too. If you prefer wood floors inside of the bedrooms, you can do that as well. And then you got the tall baseboards too. So this one's gonna have a tub shower combo, perfect for the kiddos. Lovely. So a lot of new development right here in Artavia off of 242, about 10 to 15 minutes away from 45. And in fact, I actually live in the neighborhood, so it'd be great to see you around. Okay, so let's go ahead and do a full pan and work our way around. Outstanding, extremely interactive. You got the 2-tier candle style chandelier, really the statement right when you walk into the great room. Double doors, getting you right out there to the patio. If you wanted the double sliding doors, you can certainly opt for that. And then take a look at the built-ins over here to the left. So you got the partial overlay cabinetry, white oak, beautiful fireplace here. You got vaulted ceilings, so a ton of room to work with. And then let me stand on this side for you to show you the full depth. You can see straight back there to the foyer. Look at the width that you get. Now, transitioning to the kitchen. You got quartzite counters, two-tone. You got that sleek vent hood, stack cabinetry all along there. The perfect stainless steel appliances. And then you even have two-tone cabinetry. Built-in microwave here. Let's open up some of these drawers for you. Stainless steel sink, under cabinet lighting. Look at all the storage that you get. Of course, you get the soft close too. So this would be your incredible view. The family's here hanging out, having a great time. Extremely interactive. Got your Thor dishwasher and your Thor range, 6 burners with the griddle. You can add the pop filler if you prefer. You got all the storage in the world. Fully stocked up here. They're actually having a realtor event in a couple of weeks. So they're making their Costco runs. Okay, so this would be coming in from the garage here. You got your mud room, only a few steps away from the kitchen. And you also have a walk-in pantry. Now, I know a lot of folks are loving the sculleries, the butler's pantries, the working pantries. So if that is you, you can certainly make some modifications inside of there, depending on your personal preference. And then your garage right here. So you got a single car garage on the right side, and then your 2-car garage over here. So you do have plenty of driveway as well, so that's good to see. I know some folks want to add the epoxy floors in here, so you can imagine your 2 vehicles there and your golf cart on this side, or maybe your supercar, depending on what you have at your disposal. Beautiful. And then not to mention the pendant lights right above the island, bar seating available. And then now transitioning to the breakfast nook. You got picture windows overlooking the backyard. You can imagine that pool back there, relaxing, enjoying yourself, surrounded by the mature trees. Nothing but great things to say about Artavia. Living here for a few months now. Definitely pleased with the neighborhood. Another pantry right here. And then this is your laundry room. So again, a ton of space to work with. You got your sink built in. Plenty of space for the oversized washer and dryer, as you can see. And then of course, the floor plan convenience is a theme. So it is connected to the closet here, but I want to go ahead and show you the primary bedroom and work our way back there. So it is tucked away on this side. Let me know your thoughts. And if you haven't, please let me know your initial thoughts on the floor plan in general in the comments. So they extended the white oak floors here. You got tray ceilings, you got the egress windows too. So again, to open that up for the breath of fresh air, tall baseboards inside, and that is a king size bed. You got the night tables over there too. And look at the room that you still get. Let me go ahead and stand on this side for you. So depending on the size of the furniture, you can see you have the space available to accommodate it. Maybe this may be too much for you. So if that is the case, you can make some modifications again. So I just want to keep saying that on the video so that way I can remind you. Now, as we head right here to the ensuite, you got quartz counters, waterfall edges. You see the his and her sinks. You got a cosmetic section over there to the left, water closet right here. And let's go ahead and dive into it. So this is the closet that connects to that laundry room there. So I want to show you this first. You got your built-ins ready to go. Look at the way the countertops are matching the mirror frame and the light fixture right above. Really working extremely well. Got your freestanding tub, privacy window, and the tray ceilings with built-in speakers. Generous size walk-in shower here, porcelain tile that matches the flooring, and the bathroom over here to the left, as you can see. And then you got the huge shower bench. And I know folks love rain shower head, so if that is the case, you can always add that as well. So you got the his and hers vanities, the his and hers closets, massive primary bedroom. Gosh, what more could you ask for? Let's go ahead and do one more full pan. And let's continue. Just look at the depth. And again, you folks are absolutely loving the one-story properties. So I'm glad to bring those to the channel for you. Just a candle style, two-tier, wagon wheel chandelier. Lovely. Okay, now take a look at this. So you got your game room tucked away over here as well. They extended the vaulted ceilings, the built-in speakers, and the picture windows. So much room. I mean, if you like the massive sofa and you spend a lot of time here, great. If you really like to entertain, you go ahead and add the poker table, ping pong table, or make it a children's retreat, of course. I always say that in the video. Love that. And the first time I really seen that was when we were up in Dallas and we seen a model, I believe it was by Grand Homes, and that kind of changed the game. I just kind of looked at some of these plans as far as that standpoint, because my kiddos love that idea. Now this is a shared bathroom here, so I just want to let you know that. And it will connect right here. So another bedroom, they have it staged as a conference center, do a lot of meetings in here with the project managers and things like that. But it does have a walk-in closet. So hopefully this is enough space for you. A lot of room. I mean, they're going to be building one soon, 5,000 plus square feet, and it's a one-story. So that's fascinating in itself. But let's go ahead and get you outside here. It was raining, gosh, about an hour ago or so. So I got you in just in time. So as we extend back here, look at the vaulted ceilings again. Plenty of patio space available. Look at the backyard. You still have a lot of room. Only about 45 to 55 minutes to downtown. So if you do commute, No worries. A lot of folks in here, they do commute, and you have two major freeways that you can take advantage of. One is 45, of course, and then another one is 59. So if one has too much traffic, you can get to downtown with ease. But you have the room that you need for a pool, playground, as well as a trampoline. And then of course the back of the property. But other than that, family, that was another beautiful luxury home tour. All right, Rankin family, that was it for this beautiful luxury home right here in Conroe, Texas. Let me know in the comments what you thought about this beautiful property. Is this something you could see yourself living in? Would you make any changes? And if so, please let me know in the comments below. If you want more information about this home or any home we showcase, reach out to the information in the description. Consider hitting that subscribe button so you don't miss a tour every single week. And I'll see you folks on the next property tour.